is Muhammad At. My major is Nautica level 2.
Hello, my name is Muhammad At. Today I will explain AMI IP HAL at the AMI IP Makassar. I will review the HAL the is room incident to the white color. The is in where the cadet grant it the is in important the visor to be the visor the is room has for I color and stand room has to back room has to buy one on this room is equipment in the can also unsur and study because included with one TV this and can television also unsur presentation and study her will have to tension and to lesson in kinds for tension the room for management department or her all department Johnson, and thank you for have what I have color and been uploads if there are any scoring or mission one. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.